Hi, this is Antonio Sack from DIY Fidelity. Today we're looking at making a digital depth gauge for a drill press using a set of digital calipers. Credit for the build goes to Patrick Sullivan and Colin Connect, who made digital readouts for their own drill presses by machining adapters to attach the calipers. Here in the UK we have a bunch of low-cost drill presses sold under different brand names but are pretty much the same thing. And this is the type of drill that we made the digital readout for. As for the digital calipers, we decided to go with the TacLife version that you can get on Amazon, and that's because they're pretty much inexpensive, easy to drill through, and they're also accurate enough for most drill press drilling. Unlike Patrick and Colin, who machine their adapters, we decided to 3D model and then 3D print them out instead. This way, anyone with the same type of generic drill and access to a 3D printer can generate their own adapters as well. So if you're interested in putting together your own digital depth gauge, then look out for the STL files available for download from our website. So for the actual build, the first thing to do was to remove the depth stop that comes with the pillar drill. This way we could get into the space where we're going to install the DRO. Then we drilled 3 holes for the attachment of the upper DRO adapter using a 3.3mm cobalt drill bit. We then tapped the holes so that they could accept 4mm machine screws. We drilled 3mm holes into the TacLife calipers. Two holes in each of the jaws so that we could attach the calipers to the DRO adapters. Then we drilled corresponding holes into the DRO adapters while they were assembled on the drill press. We weren't too keen on the pink color of the 3D prints, so we spray painted them first with 2 coats of filler primer, then with 2 coats of satin black spray paint. Once everything was dry, assembly was then pretty straightforward. First we attached the top adapter using M4 machine screws. Then we attach the calipers using smaller M3 machine screws. Finally, we attach the lower adapter first to the quill using the original depth stop. Then the bottom adapter was attached to the calipers. And that's it. So when you're using it, you zero the digital readout when the drill bit is touching the surface of the workpiece. And then it's just a matter of drilling down to the required depth. In this case, we did 5mm. Here I'm checking the depth of the hole afterwards. Now you have to remember that the accuracy of the tag life calipers have a resolution of plus or minus 0.2 millimeters. And you can see we're exactly within that. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.